going to begin the news at 11 tonight with some incredible video coming out of Delaware County. Take a look at this. A viewer sent us video of what the National Weather Service is calling a tornado. They say an official rating going to be given to this tornado tomorrow after crews conduct a survey of the damage. Speaking of the damage, here's a look at some of it caused by that storm. This is at the TK Constructors Building, and this is just north of Yorktown. Now, these storms also in Jay County, the junior-senior high school was also damaged by the same storm system here. School has been canceled there tomorrow. Let's bring in meteorologist Tyler Ryan now. Tyler, so explain to everybody, why wasn't there a warning issued for this storm tonight?
Hey, I appreciate that, Max. Yeah, that's going to be a question that a lot of people are going to have this evening. I'm going to do my very best here in the next half an hour to kind of explain to you the challenges and why there was not a warning issue. So yeah, very active night. We had these cells push on through both Delaware and Jay counties there. But let's go ahead and kind of explain just a little bit here of kind of what transpired earlier this afternoon in the evening hours. So this is the last 5 hours. We're going to do a little loop scan here. Around 7:40, these cells that pushed through Delaware County here and also Jay County, look, one off, they're just look like typical little rain cells here. And if we pull up the velocity here at that exact time, around 7:30, 7:40, and you can kind of see up near Muncie and even into Portland, which is Jay County, there is not much showing up. One, the radar is very far away with both of these counties, so it does have a very tough time of scanning in the low levels. That is the big challenge when it comes to this, because this was mainly a low-level tornado. This didn't really pick up on our velocity scans because, one, the rotation was at lower levels because there are low cloud heights, and this is very difficult because this is not a typical tornado structure. Now, what did pop up and what did transpire earlier is right here. I'm going to backtrack it here. We have two tornadoes that popped up here on our live guardian radar. This is our debris tracker. And we can point out on both of these here exactly when the tornado touched down. Even though we did not pick it up on the velocity scan, we could pick it up on our debris tracker. Right here, which Yorktown is just outside of Muncie there, of course, Kamak, that is where some of the damage occurred. And then right over here, right in the heart of Portland in Jay County, that is where we were able to pick up some of that debris. Now, why wasn't there an issue warning when you have two debris signatures here? Well, one, there is in our atmosphere land spouts, and this was a very common atmosphere to produce land spouts. Both of these tornadoes did not come from a typical supercell structure, which most tornadoes come from. That is one of the reasons why we didn't have the warning issue. The good news, rest of the night, things are going to be very quiet. We have rain chances back in the forecast. We'll talk more about those rain chances, though, coming up later on in my full forecast.